Today we are going to do our third video third topic, that is international system. As the name suggests, it is what international system related to what British. This system is used over all the economy, over all the world. Okay, that's why we have to learn this topic. This column is related to what? It's a period. Okay, and this full column is related to places. This column shows the places of the numbers. This column shows the period. Okay, in each the column and each the period have, in this ones we are having three places, that is ones, tens, 100. In the thousand also we have what? Three places, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In the million also we have million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay students, so what is the difference between Indian system and international system? There is only one difference, that in the thousand and the million place, here are the lakhs at the place of the million, and we don't have this three places in the international system, but in the Indian system. But in the international system we have the three places. Okay students, I hope you have understood till yet. So for this we are understanding now separation of the digit. In the first I am explaining you the international Indian system, how we are separating the numbers in the Indian system. How we are doing it? 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, suppose this is the number and we are separating this number by the digit, by placing the comma in it. So how we can place in the Indian system? Ones, tens, 100, then comma. 1000, 10,000, then comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, then comma. Okay students, means after the three digit we are placing one comma. After two digit we are placing one comma. Again after two digit we are placing one comma. But in international system we have three places individually. So how we can place ones, tens, 100. After it ones, tens, 100. After it we are placing the comma. Then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After it we are placing the comma. I hope you have understood till yet also. One more example we are taking. In this also we are doing ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then we have million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay students. Now the next is what? Write in the word. This is the number and we have to write it in the word form. Okay, how we can write? First, for that we have to count it. So ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 billion. So 100 billion, million, 100 million, 100 million, 32, 100, 32, 100. Okay, 100, 32, that is 32. Okay, 32 what? Million. Then we have what? 32. Now 500. 5 is at first we will write this number in this table, so it will be easy for you. One is at which place? 100 place. So for that we are writing 100. Okay students, and 32 is at which place? Million place. For that we are writing 32 million. Now the 5 is at which place? 100 place. So 500. 500. Now 572,000. 800. 8 is at which place? 100 place. 800. 819. Okay students. I hope you have understood. If still you have a doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.